Talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PUBG mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click here on settings. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for uh, PUBG mobile app, or just click on search. Then here add PUBG mobile, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do is, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.